A grocery store chain has data in several internal systems like sales, inventory, and marketing. Employees waste time searching these systems for information on product performance, stock, and campaign effectiveness. They need a central way to easily access and understand data across these systems for better decisions and efficiency. Which Google Cloud offering should they use? A. Gemini for Google Workspace. B. Google Agent Space. C. A Vertex AI Search. D. Conversational Agents. The correct answer is B. Google Agent Space. A tech company has separate teams using different tools for their machine learning projects, causing duplicated work and scaling issues. They need a central platform to manage all their AI development, deployment, and monitoring efficiently. Which Google Cloud offering should they use? A. Cloud Functions. B. Vertex AI. C. Google Agent Space. D. BigQuery. The correct answer is B. Vertex AI Explanation. Vertex AI is Google Cloud. The correct answer is B. Vertex AI Explanation. Vertex AI is Google Cloud. A software company's AI chatbot struggles to answer customer questions about recently released features because this information is not in its original training data. Customers are getting inaccurate answers, increasing support agent workload. The company wants the chatbot to use the latest product documentation to give accurate, up-to-date responses without retraining the entire model. Which technique should they use? A. Fine-tuning. B. Prompt engineering. C. Retrieval-augmented generation, RAG. D. Human-in-the-loop, HITL. The correct answer is C. Retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, explanation. A business analyst asks a generative AI model about the quarterly revenue of a small startup that recently entered the market. The model confidently provides a specific revenue figure and even mentions a supposed press release detailing the company's success. However, after further investigation, the analyst discovers that the startup has not yet released any financial reports, and no such press release exists. The information provided by the AI model is entirely fabricated despite sounding plausible. Which type of large language model limitation does this exemplify? A. Bias. B. Knowledge cutoff. C. Data dependency. D. Hallucinations. The correct answer is D. Hallucinations. A generative AI tool that answers employee policy questions is providing outdated and inaccurate information, causing confusion. The company wants the tool to give reliable answers based on the latest official documents. What should the organization do? A. Fine-tune the underlying language model with a broader dataset of general knowledge. B. Increase the temperature setting of the language model. C. Implement grounding techniques. D. Reduce the token count parameter. The correct answer is C. Implement grounding techniques. A sales team wants to create dynamic and personalized video pitches for potential clients. They receive client information in various formats and need an AI model that can transform this information into engaging video content tailored to each client's specific needs and challenges. Which Google model should they use? A. Gemma. B. Gemini. C. Imagen. D. Veo. The correct answer is D. Veo. A growing retail company with fragmented phone, email, and basic website chat support needs a unified cloud solution. They require integrated communication channels, consistent customer experiences, and scalable support that ensures security and privacy. Which Google Cloud offering should they use? A. Vertex AI Platform. B. Google Cloud Contact Center as a Service. C. Conversational AI. D. Vertex AI Search. The correct answer is B. Google. The correct answer is B. Google Cloud Contact Center as a Service. An organization is seeking to improve how its employees access and use internal company information scattered across various systems. They want to provide their knowledge workers with tools that can understand and use this data to enhance productivity and decision-making. What is a key benefit of using Google Cloud Agent Space in this scenario? A. Agent Space primarily focuses on enhancing external customer engagement through AI-powered chatbots. B. Agent Space directly manages the underlying infrastructure and hardware required for AI model training. C. Agent Space allows employees to find and use internal information more easily by creating custom AI agents that can access and understand data from various enterprise sources. D. Agent Space is mainly designed for building and deploying custom machine learning models for predictive analytics. The correct answer is C. Agent Space allows employees to find and use internal information more easily by creating custom AI agents that can access and understand data from various enterprise sources. Explanation: Google Cloud Agent Space is designed to help The correct answer is C. Agent Space allows employees to find and use internal information more easily by creating custom AI agents that can access and understand data from various enterprise sources. What is reinforcement learning? A. Learning from labeled data with correct output pairs. B. Learning by identifying patterns in unlabeled data. C. Learning through interaction and feedback. D. Learning by training on vast data to generate new content. The correct answer is C. Learning through interaction and feedback. A company is developing a system to automatically categorize customer support emails. They have a collection of thousands of past emails, and each email has been manually reviewed and tagged with a category such as billing inquiry, technical support, or feature request. What type of data is this? A. Unlabeled data. B. Labeled data. C. Structured data. D. Raw data. The correct answer is B. Labeled data. What is the definition of a generative AI, Gen AI, model? A. A physical device that houses the hardware components of a Gen AI system. B. A complex algorithm trained on vast amounts of data to learn patterns and relationships. C. A user interface that allows users to interact with a Gen AI system. D. A set of rules and guidelines governing responsible development and use of Gen AI. The correct answer is B. A complex algorithm trained on vast amounts of data to learn patterns and relationships. A video game company created a virtual reality game with virtual characters that can interact with users in a more natural and intuitive way by using gestures and facial expressions to communicate. What type of agent is this? A. Creative agent. B. A workflow agent. C. Virtual assistant agent. D. Conversational agent. The correct answer is D. A conversational agent. A software company has developers who need to write, review, debug, and generate code from natural language descriptions by using generative AI. What type of agent is this? A. Data analysis agent. B. A workflow agent. C. Data agent. D. Code agent. The correct answer is D. Code agent. An advertising agency needs to quickly create many different photorealistic images from text descriptions for client campaigns because traditional photo shoots are too slow and costly. The agency's goal is to generate high-quality visuals rapidly from text to improve campaign speed and lower expenses. Which Google Foundation model should be used? A. Gemini. B. Gemma. C. Veo. D. Imagen. The correct answer is D. Imagen. A marketing team wants to use a foundation model to create social media and advertising campaigns. They want to create written articles and images from text. They lack deep AI expert ISE and need a versatile solution. Which Google Foundation model should they use? A. Gemma. B. Imagen. C. Gemini. D. Veo. Correct answer, C. Gemini. A research scientist wants to use Veo to visualize live, fluctuating data streams on a real-time dashboard. Why would Veo be a poor choice for this particular task? Veo generates videos from static inputs like text or images and cannot process or dynamically visualize live data. B. Veo may lack specific scientific visualization styles needed for accurate data representation. C. A Veo use for this scenario would require too many computational resources. D. Veo is designed for short-form video, not continuous, long-duration live data displays. The correct answer is A. Veo generates videos from static inputs like text or images and cannot process or dynamically visualize live data. A company sells custom-designed phone cases on their website. How should Imagen be effectively used? A. To generate realistic images of phone cases on devices from text descriptions of designs. B. To analyze customer feedback to identify popular phone case design trends. C. To predict demand for different phone case designs based on sales data. D. To transcribe customer audio feedback on prototypes of phone case designs. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. To generate realistic images of phone cases on devices from text descriptions of designs. A company lacks extensive in-house machine learning and AI expertise. How does Google Cloud democratize AI? By offering exclusive access to its most powerful AI models for high-spending clients. B. By providing fully automated AI solutions requiring no technical user input. C. By providing a comprehensive AI platform with low-code/no-code tools, pre-trained models, and easy-to-use APIs. D. By offering free custom AI solution development and deployment for all businesses. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. By providing a comprehensive AI platform with low-code/no-code tools, pre-trained models, and easy-to-use APIs. A marketing team is brainstorming creative ideas for a new social media campaign. They want to quickly generate various taglines and initial post drafts to explore different angles and messaging options. They need a Google Cloud pre-built generative AI tool without additional setup that allows for rapid content creation and experimentation. What should the team do? Use NotebookLM to upload past successful campaigns and analyze their key elements. B. Use Gemini for Google Workspace within Google Slides to prepare a presentation outlining their social media campaign strategy. C. Use the Gemini app to create taglines and social media post drafts that align with their campaign goals and target audience. D. Create a custom gem in Gemini Advanced with specific brand guidelines and target audience profiles. Correct answer is C. Use the Gemini app to create taglines and social media post drafts that align with their campaign goals and target audience. A data science team needs a centralized and organized location to store its various model versions, track their metadata, and easily deploy them to the respective applications. What Google Cloud service should they use? A. Cloud storage. B. Model registry. C. BigQuery. D. A Vertex AI pipelines. Answer B. Model registry.